Turning our attention now to the cleanup efforts following two historic February tornadoes in south central Wisconsin, ripping through parts of Evansville and Albany, Wisconsin. Tahil Mohadeen has been on the ground in Rock County, speaking with neighbors now working to move on from the devastation.
Whether picking up debris, setting up lunch, or driving heavy machinery,
they heard about it in school.
Everyone at this Porter farm is here to lend a hand.
When I pulled over the hill, I thought there'd just be a few, and I was amazed how many people are here.
A show of neighbors helping neighbors.
Because I know tornadoes can do a lot of damage.
Farmer Matt Artis tells me all of the help makes the overwhelming destruction of his family farm more bearable.
I've had people come in here and I didn't know who they were, and they said, "What do you want me to do?" And just say, "Do this or do that," and they just do it.
Artis says it took only 2 minutes Thursday night for his family's decades of hard work to come crashing down.
I heard stuff starting to pop and snap.
A tornado in February making history.
So I grabbed my mom since she's disabled, and I got her into the bathroom, and I shut the door. And as I was doing that, something went through the front picture window on the house and shattered.
Luckily, both he and his mom stayed safe through the ordeal. But as the wild wind began to settle, Artis began to worry about his cattle.
Obviously, this wasn't a normal storm.
With several of his animals on the loose, helpers arrived from all over, with drones and UTVs to find his cattle. Artis, later learning, 4 would die in the tornado.
It's very tough. I mean, I enjoyed my cattle. I would come out and do chores morning and night and stuff. And it's a passion that I've always had my whole life, to have the cattle.
Artis says his remaining 37 cattle are safe at a friend's farm. Now his focus is on cleanup, as the community rallies to offer their support. In Rock County, Tahil Mohadeen, TMJ4 News.